we in Kurdistan are sitting on one of the largest untapped gas reserves in the world. No doubt that Kurdish gas can contribute to alleviating the many problems that the world faces with gas shortages. But for this to happen, for this to materialize, many things need to happen. First and foremost, the political dispute between Baghdad and Kurdistan, the government of Iraq and the Kurdistan regional government on energy, on oil, on gas. We need to resolve this. Recently, the Iraqi federal court issued a decree that made many people in Kurdistan unhappy. But I look at this decree as an opportunity to settle this issue with Baghdad on energy, on oil, on gas, once and for all. That is going to be a vital component for us to be able to speak to the world powers, to tap into the gas reserves that we have, and for Kurdistan to become a global player on the international markets and contribute. But it's not just us. From Kurdistan to Europe, there's Turkey, which is a player. We are part of Iraq, which is a player, and Europe as the beneficiary is also a player. So maybe it's time for a multi-sided discussion on this particular topic.